Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to change home screen mode in oppo mobile. Friends, you want to change oppo mobile home screen mode setting. So friends, now let's see how to change oppo mobile home screen mode one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your oppo mobile, how to change home screen mode. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your oppo mobile. Friends, in your oppo mobile, scroll down here, open your device home screen lock screen setting. Friends, click here home screen mode setting. Friends, there are three modes: standard mode, driver mode and simple mode. One by one we will talk about. First of all friends, we will click here standard mode setting. If you click here standard mode, apply option, and friends tap here switch, then you can on your standard mode setting. Switch option, click here. Friends, you can see you can use standard mode setting. Friends, after on standard mode setting, your display all icon will show on your home screen page, and if you swipe here, you cannot use app driver mode setting. You cannot use all app in app driver mode setting in oppo mobile. Standard mode setting you can set, you can on in oppo mobile. Friends, again open your phone setting, open your phone home screen setting, open your phone home screen mode setting. Friends, click here driver mode setting, apply option, switch option. Now friends, you can use app driver mode setting in your oppo mobile. So friends, your home screen style will change again, and if you swipe here, so you can use all icon in app driver mode setting. So friends, you can use your all icon in app driver mode setting. Open your phone setting again, open your phone home screen setting, open your phone home screen mode setting. Friends, last simple mode setting, if you click here, so friends, you can see large text and icon. Apply here switch option. Standard mode will on in your redmi or in your oppo mobile, and you can use it. So friends, now you can see standard mode will show like that. Standard mode will show like that interface. Simple mode setting, mobile network, Wi-Fi, phone to size, sound, vibration setting, and if you click here all setting, then you can use all setting in oppo mobile. So like that when you can set, you can change home screen mode, you can set your home screen style in your oppo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, now you want to use simple mode, you want to use driver mode, and you want to use standard mode, you can use. Friends, I will set here app driver mode again in my oppo mobile. Switch option, click here app driver mode will set again in your oppo mobile. Bye.